Hello everyone. In this video, I'm gonna exchange a RV converter. So let's do a quick brief, then we will go from there. So this is the original one. It's broken, and you can see the series number is 7300. And this is a new one I got from eBay. Alright, so I bought it from eBay. I don't know if this one really works, but after exchange, and then we will see the results. So this one convert 120 regular, 120 volts into DC 12 volts, and then this is a 45 amps converter. Alright, so that's it. Then let's start step by step. So before we put the new one in, let's compare with the wires and then get some pre-job done. So this is the older one. Now there are 4 wires come out. This white and blue one is the 120 volt. It go into the converter. This black and white is the 12 volt direct DC. So the easy way to tell is thinner, this two, and that two is thicker. And take a look here. This is a new one, and very simple. There are 4 wires as well. So there's a red and a white. Definitely there are 2 for 120. All right, thick. And these two, all right, compared with the previous one, that's the 12 DC. Pretty straightforward. But the only awkward thing is this. I don't know what's this, why they make a wire like this. I'm not an electrician, I have no idea. But I think it really doesn't really matter in this case. All right, so I just do it. Now, the only one thing you need to prepare is this. Look at these things. There's a connector in the end of the hardware, and that's very important because when you hook on the panel, you need that. I prefer you have this on. That's how they design. Because the new one, we don't have this one, so you have to buy this, and then put a in the end of the hardware, the red one, to connect to the panel and make the job easy. I got this from Home Depot, so just let you know. And I think the way is very simple. You just pushing, then use the pliers, just snap it tight. Okay. All right. So you can see this is my entire electric panel. The bottom is where the converter stay. I already take the old one, broken one out, so that's why this is empty space. And look at this new one. First of all right, I put it on, and it's pretty simple, easy, so it should be ready to go. Now you just have to put it in and then see if it fits and need to do any adjustment. Okay, so I put this new one in. The space is big enough for this new one, and if you take a look at closely, the 120 volts wire go through this 2 hole and come to this control panel, and this 2 12 DC wires come from this hole and then come to this breaker room. So it's very easy. You put a 2 here, 2 there, and then I will show you once connect to the position, you can say where they belong to. And one more thing, when I put this panel on, the screw doesn't fit the previous hole, so you might have to drill the new hole on either this side or the other side. So you can do this based on your situation. So I pre-drill 2 holes here, and then I show you after I put a screw them on. Alright, I wired them to the panel, so let's take a look at what I did. So this is the panel. Based on my original wire structure. So this hot wire comes out from the bottom, then it goes to here, goes to the top of the panel. So that's one spot. And for the neutral, came out from the back and then go all the way and then come here. So go there. So I just follow what it was, okay? And I install the same way. Now back to the breaker section. The white neutral one come out and it connect to here. That's what I had before. And for the hot wire, actually it go all the way to the third one. So you don't, this is something that everybody different. You need to remember or took pictures what you had over there before you take apart. Then when you put it back, everything follow exactly what it had before you take apart, and you should be good to go. Alright, so I put everything together. Now I will turn the power on and see if it does the work. Alright, it's time for a conclusion. You know what? I turn all the power on right here. It does the work. It works. I don't know how long, maybe forever or maybe one day, but so far everything back to normal. And yeah, so yeah, that's the part number. You can look right here. Okay, then this converter itself cost me $250, something like that on eBay. So when I post my video, I will also put a link there. If you need it, you can look into it. But I'm not a sponsor of this product. I just found it and purchased and tried. Okay, I have nothing to do with this company. But you know what? For the consumers, if we can save some money to fix the issue, that's why I'm sharing the video. And I'm happy that I fix it with less money, and I hope you have a same result. Thank you.